Every 11 seconds. A senior over 65 is treated in an emergency room for a fall-related injury. Every 11 seconds. And here is the part that most people never talk about. It is almost never the floor that is the problem. It is not the rug. It is not the wet bathroom tiles. It is not the stairs. The real cause of falls in seniors is something happening inside the body, quietly, invisibly, for years before the fall ever happens. And the most devastating part? It is completely preventable with one single exercise, done every morning in less than 5 minutes. I am going to show you exactly what that exercise is today, and I am going to show you the science that proves, beyond any doubt, that it works. Stay with me, because what I am about to share could be the most important 5 minutes of your week. I want to spend a moment on why this matters so deeply, because I do not think most people truly understand the scale of this problem. Falls are the leading cause of both fatal and non-fatal injuries in adults over 65 in the United States. Not heart disease, not cancer, falls, and a hip fracture, which is the most common serious injury from a fall, changes everything. Research from the Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery found that up to 30% of seniors who suffer a hip fracture do not return to their previous level of independence within 1 year. 30%. And perhaps even more alarming, a landmark study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that adults over 60 who could not balance on one leg for 10 seconds had nearly double the risk of serious health decline and early death in the following decade. Not just fall risk, death risk, but here is what I want you to hold on to from that study. The researchers did not say, this is inevitable. They said, this is measurable. And because it is measurable, it is trainable. Balance is not something that simply disappears with age. It is a skill, and like every skill, it responds to practice. That is the reason this one exercise is so powerful, because it directly trains the exact physiological system your body uses to prevent falls. The system that, for most people over 60, has never been deliberately trained at all. Before I show you the exercise, I need to address something, because if you have ever been told that staying active, going for daily walks, and stretching is all you need to stay safe, I want you to hear this clearly. Walking is genuinely good for you. It is wonderful for your cardiovascular health, your mood, your mental clarity, and your longevity. But walking does not train balance, not in any meaningful way. When you walk, both of your feet contact the ground in a predictable rhythmic pattern. Your body never has to work to stabilize itself on a single leg. It never practices recovering from an unexpected shift in weight. And that is exactly the movement your body needs to make in the split second between catching your foot on a rug and falling. Physical therapists have a term for this. They call it reactive balance, your body's ability to detect and correct instability before it becomes a fall. Walking does not build reactive balance. Only one type of exercise does. And it is exactly what I am about to show you. Before we get into the exercise, I want you to do the 10-second balance test right now if you have not already. Stand up. Find a wall or chair nearby for safety. Lift 1 foot 1 inch off the ground. And count to 10. Then come down to the comments and tell me, how many seconds did you reach? Type your number. Just the number, 3, 5, 7, 10, whatever it was. This is your starting point. And in 30 days, after doing this morning exercise every day, I want you to come back and test yourself again. You are going to be shocked at the difference. Drop your number now. Let's do this together. Here is why this exercise is so dramatically effective, and why nothing else quite matches it. Deep inside your muscles, tendons, and joints, especially in your ankles, are tiny sensors called proprioceptors. Think of them as your body's internal GPS for balance. They constantly send signals to your brain telling it exactly where your body is in space. Upright or leaning, stable or shifting. And when those signals come in, your brain fires micro-corrections in your muscles. Tiny adjustments you never consciously feel that keep you upright and stable. This system weakens with age, not because of aging itself, but because of disuse. When you practice standing on one leg, You are not just exercising a muscle. You are retraining an entire sensory communication system, brain, spine, ankle, all firing together. And the more you practice, the faster and more accurate those signals become. The exercise is called the single leg balance stand. And I am going to give you 5 progressions, from the gentlest starting point to a challenge that even fit adults struggle with. You start where you are. You progress at your own pace. That is the rule. Progression 1, the safety hold. Stand behind a sturdy chair. Place both hands lightly on the back, not gripping, just resting. Lift your right foot 1 inch off the floor. Hold for 10 seconds. Lower it down. Now lift the left foot. 10 seconds each side. That is 1 set. Do 3 sets. Progression 2, the fingertip touch. Same position, but now use only your fingertips on the chair. Just a light touch, like resting a feather. This forces your ankle and hip stabilizers to do more work. Hold 10 seconds each side. 3 sets. Progression 3, the full release. Stand beside the chair, close enough to grab it if needed. Now, lift 1 foot. Arms out to the sides for balance. No hand contact. Just you and your body. 10 seconds each side. 3 sets. This is where the real proprioceptive training happens. Progression 4, the eyes closed stand. This is an advanced progression. Please do this with a chair or wall within arm's reach. Stand on 1 foot, then close your eyes. When you close your eyes, your brain can no longer use visual reference to maintain balance. It must rely entirely on your proprioceptors. This forces a much deeper level of balance training. Even 5 seconds is powerful. Work toward 10. Progression 5, the functional stand. Stand on 1 foot and slowly turn your head left and right while holding the balance. This mimics what actually happens when you trip. Your head turns to look, your weight shifts unexpectedly, and your body must compensate instantly. This trains the exact reflex that catches you before a fall. 10 seconds each direction. 3 sets. Before we build your morning routine, if you are watching this and you are not yet subscribed to Age-Wise Fitness, please do that right now. Every single week we bring you simple, science-backed exercises designed specifically for adults over 40 and 60. No gym, no equipment. Real movements that make a real difference. Hit subscribe, ring the notification bell, and let's finish strong. Now, here is the piece that separates the people who get results from the people who do not. Not the exercise, the timing. The reason I want you to do this every morning, specifically every morning, is not random. Research shows that your balance system is most responsive to training in the first hour after waking. Your nervous system is fresh, your proprioceptors are alert, and building a habit attached to an existing morning behavior, like making tea or brushing your teeth, dramatically increases the chance that you will do it consistently. Here is your complete morning routine. It takes under 5 minutes. Step 1, while the kettle boils or coffee brews. Do progression 1 or 2 of the single leg balance stand. 3 sets each side. 1 minute. Step 2, while brushing your teeth. This is perfect. You are already standing at the sink, which is a safety anchor. Lift 1 foot for the full time you brush one side. Switch feet. 2 minutes of balance training, invisibly built into your morning. Step 3, before sitting down for breakfast, do 10 slow heel raises. Activate your second heart. Get the blood moving. 30 seconds. That is it. Under 5 minutes. Already woven into what you already do every single morning. This is how habits actually stick. Not willpower, not motivation. Attachment to existing routines. Here is your challenge, and I am asking you to commit to it right now. Every morning for the next 30 days, make sure you do your morning balance routine. And every 7 days, test yourself. How long can you hold the single leg stand without support? Write it down. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. I promise you, if you do this consistently, the numbers will grow, your confidence will grow, and the fear of falling that quietly shapes so many decisions after 60 will begin to shrink. This is not just an exercise. This is a decision about who you want to be at 70, at 80, and beyond. The 30-day challenge starts today. Are you in? Drop "I'm in" the comments right now. Your comment is your commitment. Let me leave you with this. The most dangerous thing about falling is not the fall itself. It is the fear of falling, the quiet way it shrinks your world, the walks you stop taking, the stairs you start avoiding, the grandchildren you hesitate to pick up. You do not have to let that fear win. One exercise, 5 minutes, every morning. That is all it takes to begin rebuilding the system your body has always had and never been trained. Start today. Share this video with someone you love who is over 60. You might be giving them something they have been looking for without knowing it. Subscribe to Age-Wise Fitness. New workouts every single week. I will see you tomorrow morning. Keep moving.